Number 10. Samsung Q950ts 8K TV. Although there is no 8K content currently being produced, that didn't stop Samsung from pushing the boundaries on the future of television. The Q950 virtually eliminates the bezel around the display to create a screen-to-body ratio of nearly 99%, the largest in the market. The bezel is 2 millimeters thick, and when viewed from a distance of 10 to 15 feet, it seems to disappear, creating a spectacular infinity screen effect. The result is an even more immersive viewing experience that eliminates the boundaries between the TV and its surroundings. Samsung has also taken all the inputs, outputs, and power requirements off board to a reasonably sizable One Connect box, so it doesn't have a lump or bulge anywhere on the frame. The Samsung Q950ts 8K TV is both a demonstration of what our future viewing might look like and a shining example of just how good a TV can make 4K content look right now. But this TV is unimaginably expensive. The 85-inch model is priced at nearly $13,000. Number 9. My Arcade Super Retro Champ. Since their debut in 1989 and 1990, Sega and Nintendo have still managed to capture people's attention by producing new products while still acknowledging the tech that put them on the map in the first place. With the My Arcade Super Retro Champ, anyone can play games from the Genesis and SNES on a handheld console. The Retro Champ is big and clunky, with a bulky frame that measures 6.9 by 9.5 by 1.5 inches and weighs 1.5 pounds without any cartridges. The console can be connected directly to the TV via HDMI, allowing two players to compete using the console's wireless gamepads. My Arcade's new console includes a built-in 7-inch full-color screen that allows for portable play with 3 to 5 hours of playtime via the built-in rechargeable battery. It also has a built-in cartridge cleaning kit. No more blowing on cartridges. The device is available for $80. Number 8. Alienware Concept UFO. The Concept UFO is a PC gaming alternative to the Nintendo Switch, enabling you to have a complete Windows 10 gaming PC in your palm. The Concept UFO consists of 4 pieces. There's a main head unit with an 8-inch 1200p monitor, a battery, and all processing and graphics hardware. There are 2 controllers, which connect via an enjoyably solid magnetic rail system. The Concept UFO has USB-C ports on both the top and bottom of the device used to charge the gadget and connect it to an exterior monitor. The whole thing weighs just under 2 pounds, which is more than 3 times what the Nintendo Switch weighs, but it is comfortable enough to hold. The entire thing looks very Alienware-y too, with white plastic, hexagon accents, and sharp angles everywhere. The device is beefier than the Japanese company's flagship handheld and has the potential to revolutionize the market for gaming on the go. The price is between $500 to $1,000. Number 7. Mateo Smart Bathroom Mat. Mateo is the world's first smart bath mat. Get rid of that pesky scale you don't really like anyway, and replace it with the Mateo Smart Bathroom Mat. When you place your feet on the footprints on this intelligent bath mat, you'll log your weight without seeing it. The built-in smart scale is capable of accurately weighing anything from 0.2 to 400 pounds. To get your reading, step onto the smart bath mat and you can check it whenever you want from the connected Mateo app. But weight isn't the only thing this bathroom mat displays, but it also has a bioimpedance analysis system that can tell you about your body composition. So if you're curious about how your muscle-to-fat ratio is doing, Mateo will show you. And with an AI footprint recognition system, this smart mat knows just who's stepping on it at all times. This smart mat has a price tag of $179. Number 6. Air Selfie Air Pix. The Air Selfie Air Pix is the world's first and only pocket-sized aerial cameras that allow you to take HD photos and videos hands-free from the sky. The autonomous flight technology allows you to take selfies while remaining immersed in your activity and without even your smartphone. It has a 12-megapixel high-resolution camera with a 70-degree field of view angle lens and can record full HD 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. The Air Pix is small, measuring only 4.01 inches by 3.34 inches by 0.51 inches, and weighing less than 1.83 ounces, about the same as a golf ball. Air Pix comes equipped with a carrying case, built-in 8GB micro SD card, 4 replacement propellers, and a USB-C cable. It has 4 chassis integrated propellers for safe hand landings and indoor flying. It also provides 6 minutes of flight time between charges, giving you plenty of time for multiple selfie flights. The price is $120. Number 5. Orcam Here. Here is the world's first artificial intelligence-driven, wearable assistive technology device that uses artificial intelligence combined with hearing aids to identify and isolate an individual speaker's voice and relay clear speech in real time to Bluetooth-enabled hearing aids. Operated hands-free, the wireless hearing aid is worn like a necklace and has camera modules and a microphone set that allows the user to receive crisp and isolated voices. The gadget works by identifying a person the user wants to listen to using body gestures, and then switching between speakers by responding to the body postures of the user. Orcam Here has a low power consumption since it does not use Wi-Fi, allowing the user to wear it all day. The Orcam Here's camera module has a wide range for identification, allowing it to work in various lighting conditions. The technology aims to eliminate the cocktail party effect, often caused by regular hearing aids in noisy settings, which amplifies every nearby sound. The price is $4,500. Number 4. Parcel Guard. While the Ring doorbell has certainly improved mail and package safety during home delivery, the current system is still not without its flaws. Thanks to Parcel Guard, we may finally be in a place where optimists don't cruise neighborhoods looking to steal Amazon packages. Plus, your weather-resistant Danby Parcel Guard and connect to the Danby Parcel Guard app to start tracking your deliveries. The Parcel Guard has a drop-in slot for smaller parcels and can be opened with a code or the mobile app, and you'll receive a notification that your package is secure. It can make phone calls between a parcel courier and a customer if the box needs to be opened remotely. Or you can unlock your unit from any smart device anywhere. You can also add a code to unlock the bottom compartment for your larger packages. The price is about $400. Number 3. Bosch Virtual Visor. German manufacturer Bosch has announced a virtual visor that tracks a driver's eyes to block out the sun without obscuring their view. By combining a transparent visor with facial recognition technology to distinguish the driver's eyes, a shadow is cast over a small area of the driver's face to stop sun glare. The virtual visor design will fully replace current sun visors, which are frequently blamed for many car accidents and reduced visibility for drivers. The virtual visor system consists of an interior monitoring camera and transparent LCD. The camera constantly tracks the driver's face and can intelligently recognize where shadows appear on the face to prevent temporary blindness from sun glare. This requires a visible light imager to detect the shadows cast onto the driver's face. The transparency of the display is continually optimized based on the lighting detected around the driver's eyes. This maximizes visibility while minimizing strain. Number 2. NextMind Dev Kit. The Dev Kit from NextMind is a wearable that allows users to monitor something in their digital world by simply thinking about it. The aim is for wearers to adjust the channel on a television or communicate with a gaming device using electrical brain signals from the user's visual cortex, which is being marketed as the world's first non-invasive, hands-free brain-computer interface for real-time interaction. It's intended for developers who'll use it to write their own software that will take advantage of this unique, safe, and convenient form of brain-computer interface. The price of this gadget is around $400. Number 1. Samsung The Wall Micro LED TV. Samsung's The Wall has been a titan of the Tech Expo circuit in the past few years. The Wall television is 292 inches long and is aimed at business owners rather than man cave dwellers. The Wall's micro LED technology has inherent color qualities with 2 times the color purity and a wider color range than conventional LED displays, which deliver vibrant yet natural colors for an awe-inspiring visual experience. Micro LED technology transfers micrometer scale LEDs into LED modules, which resembles wall tiles composed of mass-transferred clusters of microscopic lights. Mounted together as a uniform canvas and plugged in, they create a visual experience similar to what you get with premium QLED TVs. First released in a 146-inch and later a 292-inch iteration, it's only now in 2021 that we're seeing the set come to a more reasonable and commercial size. Estimates put the 146-inch model's cost at around $100,000 US, but it won't be a surprise even if the price goes much higher. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.